Hello everyone, welcome to Master Azerbaijani, your new word of the day. Today's word is ZƏHMət olmasa. ZƏHMət olmasa. ZƏHMət olmasa can mean please, if you don't mind, would you kindly. Let's see the situations where we can use it. We can use it to ask if it's not a trouble. We can ask to soften the impact of asking, and we can also ask it for more respectful, formal way of asking. Let's see those in Azerbaijani. Zəhmət olmasın deyə istemək. Those are the cases when you add suffix and sometimes some letter drops, and so you can change the form of the word. This is the case here. Zəhmət olmasın deyə istemək. A drops and you add ın. Zəhmət olmasa və ya xahiş etsəm. That's when you want to soften the impact of your asking. Zəhmət olmasa və ya əziyyət olmasa və ya here or. Now let's see some sentences to understand better. Zəhmət olmasa səsi biraz azaldın. Lower the volume a bit, please. Now you can use zəhmət olmasa either in the beginning or at the end of the sentence. Typically you will see it in the beginning. Səs is a volume, biraz a little, azaldın, lower. Let's see another sentence. Zəhmət olmasa sifarişi təsdiqləyin. Sifariş, let's see. Please confirm the order. You might see it a lot if you're a tourist in Azerbaijan. Zəhmət olmasa sifarişi təsdiqləyin. Təsdiqləyin, confirm. Sifariş, like I said, order. That was today's word, zəhmət olmasa. Let's see some fun ways of using it. I use zəhmət olmasa when I need help, not when I'm being dramatic, which is almost never. Thanks for watching. Make sure to check masterazerbaijan.com for more. I'll see you tomorrow for a new word.